Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to see the title Comparison and Evaluation of Data Mining Techniques with Algorithmic Models in Software Cost Estimation. Software cost estimation is one of the important topics in producing software in recent decades. Real estimation requires cost and effort factors in producing software by using of the algorithmic or artificial intelligence techniques. So Boehm developed the COCOMO, that is one of the algorithmic SAE models. Also, these models contain three increasingly basic, intermediate and detailed forms. In addition, detailed COCOMO accounts for individual project phases used. The COCOMO algorithmic techniques families have used since 1981. In recent years, some techniques emerged by using intelligent techniques to solve and estimate the effort required in producing software. In this paper, different data mining techniques to estimate software cost and are presented, and then the results of each technique are evaluated and compared. Now we are going to see the data flow diagram. So in this process we need to first load our data set and pre-process our data set. From the data set we are splitting the data set into training data and testing data. So we are training the data by using the initial parameter and SVM model. From that model we are calculating the error, and from the error we are calculating the effort, and from the effort we are calculating the cost. So finally the cost is estimated for the whole data set. Now we are going to see the project. The front end is NetBeans and then back end is MySQL. In that, open the CastTest package. Inside the CastTest package, choose home.java and run file. And then click browse. In that, open the dataset.txt. Load the file. Pre-process the dataset in order to remove the unwanted elements. Click classify. Classify. If you click classify, the Weka tool is being started. Click explorer. Open file. Inside that, choose CSV file inside the dataset and choose classify. In that, choose the classifier as the SMO reg and percentage split 80% as the testing and 20% as the training, and start. Click start. So the Weka tool will build the method. The process is going on. Finally, the values are calculated. Actually, the time taken to build the model is 47.48 seconds. The number of kernel evaluations, these are things. These are all the calculations occur. And finally, the mean relative error, squared error, those all things are shown here. Finally, we are getting the correlation coefficient and means absolute error, root mean squared error, relative absolute error, root relative squared error, total number of instances. And then click cost estimation. Enter your size value. So my project size, my dataset sizes 120. Salary payment 15,000. Finally, we are calculating the efforts. We need to pass the effort in order to calculate the schedule and pass the schedule value to calculate the average staffing and then the cost. Finally, need to compare. So our effort is and our getting MRE is. Finally, our performance is shown here. Thank you.